All right, after using our handy dandy hammer, finally got that and loosen up the drop down bit. So I'm gonna just take that nut out, bam. And that is the reason, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, y'all can see that now. You see that shit? Shit shot. Friends don't let friends drive fucked up. That's the reason why we're replacing it. So again, remember, we count the turns to make sure we keep everything straightened off. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we got 19 turns to get it off. Yeah, she's pretty much shot. Straight from the factory. Just look at that. I don't want to be like that. That's why we getting the sturdy one. Yeah. Can't moving that. All right, I'll be back in a second. I'm gonna just drop that right back on there and get it done.